In this video, we're going to open up a new shipment from Carter's Customs, a new product. And if you like our videos, we'd love to have a subscribe, a like, or a share as we prepare new videos for the future. Let's see what we have.
Christmas in July.
Nice. Look at this, man. Let's open it.
Good.
Man.
All right. I wasn't expecting this to come so quick.
We today have put in a exit clutch. We have reinstalled our graphite or carbon fiber, I should say, QA1. Wow.
There it is.
Look at that.
Wow. Pool noodles.
Nice. I can go to the pool now. Check it out.
I like the packaging.
Look at this. Hey, man.
Wow.
Look up here. That's pretty awesome.
It's pretty sweet. So we got apparently this is gonna shed 5 pounds.
Okay. Is it just the bottom piece? Did we put our, no, it's got the, so we just have to reattach it to the bumper, right?
Yeah.
Looks like it's pre-drilled. Nice. What do you, we'll pick it up. What do you think?
Definitely feels lighter. It doesn't have bolts in it though. But, let's see.
So it's flat. It doesn't have that little.
Yeah. So this one's flat. So we don't have the diffuser aspect anymore.
Yeah. Sweet.
Awesome.
Hey, man. I mean, he has just come out with this, right? This is a brand new piece.
Yeah, this isn't even on the market, I don't think.
So we're going to try it out. We'll get it on before we go to Portland, and we'll give a review. We'll weigh the two. We'll let people know. But I'm excited. More work. Great.
Sweet.
Let's see. More deliveries from Carter's Custom. Thank you, Adam. Let's open this baby up and see what we got. But it'll match what we received on Friday. Let's see what we have here. Oh man, check this out. Okay, that took a little time to open up. It was well wrapped up. Check out all this stuff. Anyway, we have a brand new design rear spoiler for our SN95. Notice we have a third mount in the middle, make it more rigid. Besides having a third mount, let's just look at the quality. I believe these are milled as opposed to 3D printed only. But I think one of the coolest things, if I can flip this thing over, it has a slide on it so that you can adjust the height. This is going to be super cool. This looks awesome. Alrighty, the best.